Jamie Oliver proved a simple truth. Flavor doesn't need a fortune. Tonight, set a rule. $20 max. 2 seats, 1 small flame, 1 shared plan. Can we make the night sing without letting the bill shout? 2 $20 dates a week add up to $160 a month. That's less than 1 flashy dinner. Tip included. Cap the cost and you calm the noise. Limits don't kill romance. They focus it. This is Wealth Mentor Pro, where every lesson is a step closer to your freedom. Here's your claim, and it's our compass. Date night does not equal debt night. Promote low-cost dates focused on connection over price with example and model Jamie Oliver. We don't drift into great nights, we chart them. Set a heading before you leave the dock. Pick 3 under $20 plans over coffee in the morning. Lock 1 by lunch. No second guessing by dusk. Try a traybake like Jamie would. Hot oven, big flavor, no fuss. Chickpeas, red peppers, onion, lemon, a handful of herbs, and a crumble of feta. $8 if you shop smart. Add tap water spritz with frozen grapes and a paper straw. Done! Navigation needs a map. Tape an index card to the fridge called the US deck. On each card, write a fixed plan under 20. Home cinema with a borrowed library DVD and stovetop popcorn. Midnight city hike with thermos tea and a single brownie split. 5-song vinyl listening session from the library stack. Phones sleeping in a drawer. Drift happens when small leaks go unnoticed. Tiny leaks sink budgets. Tiny fixes save nights. Skip surge rides and route your walk along bus lines you already pay for. Pack a light pouch, blanket, deck of cards, 2 granola bars, and a pen. You're date ready without a checkout line. Comparison has gravity. It pulls you into other people's orbits. Break free by choosing treasure over trophies. 10-minute thrift challenge, $5 each. Find the most meaningful small object, then tell the story behind it. The winner gets the last bite of dessert you made at home. Presence is a frequency. Tune it. Start with a 2-minute silent plate. Warm up. No talking. Breathe. Notice color, heat, smell. Then speak 1 line each. What you're grateful for today. You're on the same channel now. Make the plan tactile. Sharpie a line on an envelope labeled Date Fuel $80. 4 envelopes for the month, 20 each. When one's empty, the night is complete by design, not by impulse. Let's change the script from consumption to creation. Build a tiny recipe book together. 10 pages, stapled. Every date that earns a smile gets a page. Title it with the vibe, not the dish. Rainy laughter, orange peel talk. The night we burned the toast. Worried about food skills? Keep it friendly. Jamie Oliver's magic is confidence by simplicity. Your version can be roasted tomatoes smashed on toast with garlic and olive oil. Add a side of sliced apples dusted with cinnamon. Under $7. Over 7 memories. Design a walk that edits your thoughts. Pick a park loop or a river path. Halfway, trade a question from your pocket note. 1 story you've never told me. Then walk back slower than you came. Give the night chapters. Arrival, music from your high school year. Middle, a palate cleanser like a lemon ice made in a tray. Close, a 3-sentence journal entry you sign together. You're not just spending time, you're binding it. Keep curiosity alive with a blind taste test. 3 budget chocolates cut into squares. Guess the origins, pick a favorite, and crown the champion with tape and a doodle. It's silly, it's perfect, it's yours. Name your nights so they're easy to repeat. Red umbrella, balcony soup, eastbound bus. Names turn evenings into landmarks on your shared map. Landmarks are easy to revisit for almost no cost. Here's a low-cost idea that sparks high connection. Library board game night at your table. Choose a small cooperative game under an hour. Win together, then write one line each about what you noticed. Small teamwork builds big trust. Use the sun like a clock you don't pay for. Golden hour picnic on the nearest hill. Tuna and white bean salad with lemon and parsley. A mason jar of tap water and citrus peels. Watch the light change. Feel your shoulders drop. If you must buy something, make it a tool that pays you back. A decent knife on sale. A cast iron pan that lasts decades. Tools lowered lifetime cost per memory. Every slice, every sizzle, dividends in moments. The quiet truth behind the noise. Money, stress steals attention before it steals dollars. Cut the stress and the night blooms. Say the line that steadies the hand again. Date night does not equal debt night. Promote low-cost dates focused on connection over price with example and model Jamie Oliver. Now 3 switches that shift everything. Switch 1, cap first, then create. A price ceiling frees the mind to play. State the cap at breakfast, then pull a card from the US deck after lunch. Example, tonight is Sunset Bench. Walk 3 blocks, share a thermos chai, trade 2 stories you learned this week. Switch 2, make something before you spend anything. Effort binds meaning to memory. Paint 2 cheap postcards with watercolors you already own. Trade them at the end of the night with a 1-sentence dedication. Switch 3, script connection, not consumption. Plan 3 moves that invite presence. Arrival ritual. 1 song you both hum. Midpoint reset. A 10-minute stroll, no talking, just noticing. Closing note, 2 minutes of eye contact and a whispered highlight. Keep the rhythm sustainable. Week 1, sheet pan dinner and balcony chat. Week 2, free gallery Thursday and handwritten questions. Week 3, farmer's market, second soup and stargazing with a blanket. Week 4, bookstore blind date with a $5 limit and readings on a park bench. Add a micro ledger that tells the truth. 2 columns on a page, dollars and moments. Moments win when the words are vivid. Orange zest on fingers. Train tracks humming under our feet. That's wealth you can feel. Protect the boundary kindly. If a plan tries to push past 20, swap the venue, not the night. Trade the cafe for your kitchen, the rideshare for a slow walk, the cocktail for sparkling water with a squeeze of lime. Connection stays. Cost drops. Create a small tradition that outlives trends. Friday Night Radio. You each host 15 minutes. Tell a short story. Play a song. Share a memory. You'll look forward to your own station all week. Stack tiny wins. Keep 1 clean glass bottle for flowers. Pick a single stem from the discount bin. Place it where you eat. Beauty on purpose for pocket change. When you cook, keep it kind to your future self. Double the roasted vegetables. Box the leftovers for tomorrow's lunch. That's a second date inside the first, and it costs nothing extra. Here's your overlooked lever. Score each date on connection per dollar. 10 is deep talk, laughter, and calm for $20 or less. Anything under 7 gets a tweak next time. This score turns feelings into feedback and feedback into growth. Return to the opening picture. 2 seats, 1 small flame, 1 shared plan. Jamie's spirit lives in the way you season, not the way you spend. Simple, joyful, generous. That's the model. That's the point. You just learned how to turn a cap into a compass, a budget into a bond, a kitchen into a stage for stories that last. For more content like this, subscribe now and watch the suggested video next.